Hey everyone, welcome to Power Surge. Now if you don't know what that is, I know you have one and it's in a closet somewhere. Get it out and dust off your Serger. I've got an exciting bi-monthly program that's going to help you learn everything you know about your Serger. And I don't care if it's a 2-thread, 3-thread, 4-thread, you spent $100 or you spent $10,000. This 6-month program is going to help you learn everything you need to know about your Serger. You're going to be awesome and become a power Serger. And that's what we want. So starting in May, every other month, you're going to get a box in the mail with some great stuff. A project that we're going to sew along together in a private Facebook group. You'll always have access to the video. So we're going to start our own little community and learn everything you know about your Serger. So we're excited about that. So the box is going to launch May 1st, 2021. We have some exciting things. If you sign up now, you're going to get this great little Power Serger pouch to keep all your favorite notions in, which are my favorite notions that you're going to be collecting over the next 6 months. And for a bonus, you're going to get a 5-part Serger series at amysews.com, an $80 value for free, just for signing up. Now you can opt out anytime, but you're not going to want to because that Serger's been hidden way too long. So we're going to have some fun with Power Surge, a bi-monthly box to learn everything you need to know about your Serger. We're going to have classes, we're going to have tips, we're going to have fun things. So make sure you register. Click on the link below so you're not left out. There's a limited number of boxes. So power up, Power Surge. Let's get this done because the more you know, the more you sew.